So here I have my 2015 Corvette Stingray. I've had this car for a little over 3 years, about 3.5 years. And it's been a great car. It's a really fun car to drive. I drive this almost every day because I also have my F-150 and the Maserati Gran Turismo. So I split the miles on those three vehicles. I have 19,700 miles on the Corvette. It's not a whole lot, but it definitely gets driven. So what I'm gonna do today is spray the intake with Seafoam. One of the things about this car is that it has direct fuel injection, as where the Maserati and my F-150 do not. So what that is the injectors, they're inside the combustion chamber. Under the older style, which was multi-port injection, the injectors were behind the valves, so the valves would get clean by the fuel spray. And that's one of the reasons why on this car they specify that you use top tier fuel, high detergent, because they have additives to help clean the system. So I normally use Shell and Chevron fuel. The thing with direct fuel injection is that they tend to accumulate deposits on the valves because they're not getting cleaned by the injectors, which is why I'm gonna use the Seaform Spray to help clean it up. So I'm gonna open up the hood and hook it up. So I got the spray bottle right here, and it comes with a tube that I'll insert right there, and then I'll spray the can. So I gotta unscrew this piece of the throttle body so that I can fit that tube. Okay, so I pushed this clip just so that I could move it back far enough, because this thing it's just barely long enough. So once I unclipped it, I'm able to scoot this back just a little bit, enough to get that hook in there. So now I will clip this back on, and then I'll have the car running and I'll be able to spray it right there, and the chemical will go into the intake. So I'll have somebody run the car, keep it at 2,000, 2,500 RPMs, so that the car does not stall out. Now we're gonna have the car at 2,500 RPMs. Alright, so I sprayed the whole can in there. Now we can shut the engine off. So it says to let it soak for 5 minutes, and then it actually says it on the can to drive it aggressively. I think the engine was pretty clean. I didn't really see any smoke. Normally when the engines got a lot of buildup, you'll see a lot of smoke at the tailpipe as the chemical's burning off. So I'm gonna remove the tube. First I gotta pull this up again. Then I'll remove the tube from there and bolt everything back up, and then go drive the car. And there, reached the speed limit on second gear. This thing can do like 80 miles an hour on second. So it's geared very, very high. think I can get up to 60, 65 in first gear. That's definitely pretty impressive acceleration for this car. Definitely the best out there for the money, for the performance. I think that's enough driving for what I was doing as far as the cleaning. So I'm gonna head back home. But yeah, the engine was pretty clean. I didn't get any white smoke from that chemical, because I've done that cleaning before on other vehicles that have high mileage. But I figured because this one's direct injection, I thought it was gonna have a bit of accumulation, but I guess not. So anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.